Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video episode of CoinSutra, and I'm your host Harsh Agrawal. From last 5 years we have been teaching you everything about cryptocurrency, and today we are going to look into the fundamental, one of the very important part of cryptocurrency world, that is CoinMarketCap. This platform has been around for many years and it lets you check the detail of any project, let you check the price of any cryptocurrency, and at the same time help you discover a lot of exciting new projects. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use CoinMarketCap, what are the things you can do. You're going to discover lot of interesting stuff about CoinMarketCap. Let me tell you one very important thing. CoinMarketCap has been acquired by Binance last year, and since then they have added a lot of features, including a way to manage your portfolio, which is completely free. So we'll look into all of this in this video. So without further delay, let's go ahead. Let's have a look at CoinMarketCap. Alright, so very first thing, you can go to coinmarketcap.com. What you can do is you can create an account if you like, or you can just simply browse without creating an account. I would highly recommend to create an account because it will help you explore many features of CoinMarketCap, such as portfolio management and watch list. Otherwise you would not be able to get access to. And you can also install CoinMarketCap mobile app on your phone, Android or iOS, and you can use CoinMarketCap on your phone. Alright, so very first thing, once you are on the website, you can see the number of cryptocurrencies they are tracking right now is 9185. The current market cap is close to $2 trillion. This is the 24-hour volume. The dominance, the BTC dominance is 55%, which is actually on the lower side. Few months back it was 65%. ETH dominance in the market is 12%. What that means is, like, out of 100%, BTC has captured the 55% of the market. Ethereum has captured 12.2% of the market. You can also see the ETH fee. So rather than using something like ETH gas station, you can always check your current ETH gas fee on CoinMarketCap. So right now the gas fee is still on the lower side compared to what it was few days back, or what it will be by evening. So that's the first part. You can always change into dark mode if you like. Then there are cryptocurrencies that you can explore, based on various factors. You can also explore exchanges, which is another great feature to discover new exchanges. So you can explore spot exchanges, derivative exchange, DEX exchanges. So they have their own exchange score that you can see to find out if there is any exchange. Let's say you found a coin which is on a particular exchange and you're not sure how safe or reliable that exchange is. This score might be somewhat useful. So let's say let's check MXC exchange. We go to exchange part, and unfortunately there is no way of seeing score over here. So okay, so MXC exchange is not here. Okay, it's here. The exchange score is 5.3, which is not great compared to Binance or other popular exchanges, but at least it would give you an idea, like what is the trust score of this exchange. You can always mix it with your other research platform like CoinGecko or CoinSutra to see the score of this particular platform. So that's another aspect to it. Now you can see the current crypto price on this platform, which is the one of the very popular use case. So let's say if you want to, before that, you can always click on search and it would show you all the coins which are trending, and some of your recent searches would show up here. So that's another great way to discover a project which is about to go viral. So whatever projects that you like, you can always add it to your watch list. So let's say once you add any coin to the watch list, like all these coins, I've already added them into the watch list. So I can go to my watch list and then I can track the price of all this coin and see which coin has increased in value in last 7 days or 24 hours, and then make decision on buying or selling. So which is another great way of managing your portfolio. So let's go back to the home page. Here there are a few parts, like you can click on categories. Like if we click on categories, then it has bundled the coins under different categories. So let's say if I go to tourism, I'll be seeing all the coins which are under the category tourism. Like travel is a project that I feel very great about. It's another project which is part of Binance ecosystem, and it helps you buy, sell flight and hotel tickets. But anyways, so you can discover a lot of projects based on your interest area, the categories that you understand, and from there you can start by learning more about those platforms. Which, let's have a quick look at that also. You can also always sort this coin based on the market cap to discover the coins which have lowest market cap and explore that project to see if that project has any steam left or that project has a future. So let's say you want to explore audio project, you click on the project name, and then it gives you a lot of information, like the website link. You can click on the website link and check the website directly. Then they have the explorer link, then the community link, which is usually Medium, Twitter, Discord or other links. They have the link to their Discord community of this particular project. Then the contract address, you can always click on add to MetaMask to add this project into your MetaMask wallet directly. Then there are tags, which is another very important factor that might give you a lot of interesting stuff. Like for example, this project is part of Solana ecosystem. It's also part of Binance Labs portfolio. So Binance Lab has an arm which invests in projects. So this Audius project is part of Binance Lab portfolio. It's also part of Coinbase Ventures portfolio, and it falls into the music category. So this is something that you can find all this information from CoinMarketCap. And then you can find the market cap, fully diluted market cap, the 24-hour volume, circulating supply and total supply. So this tokenomics is actually going to be very helpful for you to determine if this project is worthy of investment or not. Now moving ahead, on the right side you'll find a lot of information. You can always see the low and high price in 24-hour or in 1 year low and high price to see where this project price is right now. So according to this chart, like this project is somewhere at the middle of from their high and low, and I feel very good about this project. Again, it's not an investment advice but just some of my observation. Now you can go to market to find on which all exchanges this particular token is available. So it's available on Binance, FTX, Gate.io, Uniswap, and then you can just simply click on this pair to go and buy or sell this particular token. You can also sort this by volume to find the source, the exchange on which the maximum liquidity is available. And yeah, so once that is done, then we move to historical data. Then wallet section shows you on which wallet this particular token is available, or on which wallet you can use to manage this particular token. Any news related to this particular token. If you are watching some of the token that you have invested in, this is another great way to keep an eye on all the news related to your portfolio. Then we have social links, where you can find the social media profile link of this project, or updates from their social media profile. All right, they have crypto asset score. Now honestly, I'm not dwell deep into this particular section, so I'll let you explore this option. And then we move back to the home page. All right, so now you can also explore a lot of projects based on different categories, popular categories like NFT for an example, and you can sort them based on the market cap to find the coin which are part of NFT but which are not yet rocketed. Then you can individually explore those projects to see if those projects make sense, something that you would want to invest or not. And if you want to invest, you can always check the markets to find the exchanges where this coin is available. So this is some of the aspect of CoinMarketCap. Then you can also customize section that you want to see, like you want to see the price in BTC, you want to see the 30-day chart or 60 days chart. You can click on that, and then you can customize the whole feel and look of it. All right, so moving ahead now, watchlist I've already showed you. Now there is a sample portfolio that I want to show you. So portfolio tracker is a new feature that has added by CoinMarketCap. Now you can always add a coin. Let's say you want to add AKT. You add this coin, you add the quantity, you add the price at which you purchased at. You can mention the fees. If you like, you can add notes to this transaction. And let's say we added 100, and then we click on add transaction. So then the transaction has been added, and you'll be able to monitor your profit and loss, your total holding. And you can always, like, if you once you sold this particular token, you can always add the sale value. Now at this time they don't offer automatic sync like other portfolio tracker does, but if you are looking for something very simple, a manual portfolio tracker, CoinMarketCap is something that you should definitely look at. Then there is ICO calendar, which shows you all the new projects which are undergoing ICO or IDO right now, and also more detail about this project. So let's say there is this project called Octi. You'll find this information on how to participate link here. You can go and read about it, and if this project makes sense to you, you can go about and invest in this project. Now that's another smart way to find those projects which have not boomed already, and you can invest in them. Then there are a few other products that you want to explore here, like you can download their mobile app. CoinMarketCap has one of the best mobile app in the industry. They have Android and iOS mobile app that you can download. Then they have Learn part, which is a replica of Coinbase Earn. So you can learn about different project here. Let's say you learn about 1inch, and some of them also, once you finish the learning or learning about this particular project, you also earn this particular token as a free token just because you spend time learning about the particular project. So which is another great way to earn free cryptocurrency. That is something offered by CoinMarketCap. So guys, these are some of the features of CoinMarketCap. I'm pretty sure if you are just getting started, or if you are somebody who's dwelling deep into cryptocurrencies, you will find CoinMarketCap to be a very important project, a very important service to improve your crypto knowledge. Now it's your turn to let me know which platform are you using to track cryptocurrency price or learn about a project. Is it CoinMarketCap? Is it CoinGecko? Or is it any other project? At the same time, if you like this video, do like and subscribe to our channel. It would help us to grow and will help me to create more such videos in the future. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.